Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Derek Stokes, and I've had enough of the farm. I'm leaving the farm, but not for good. We are heading on a family vacation. We are heading out of the country, getting on a big old boat, and setting sail. We're gonna go on a cruise, so come along with us and see what a Stokes family vacation is like. All right. Well, hopefully everything goes good. We'll see you guys on this trip. See ya. Well, we made it to Galveston. Getting ready to get on the cruise ship. We had some time to kill, so we came out here on the Galveston beach. Very nice day. Water a little different over here in Galveston. It's not nearly as clear, but it's a nice beach. Philip, he is looking for some seashells. Not having a whole lot of luck right now. Been picked over pretty good. Anyways, getting ready to get on the big boat. Well, we made it here on the boat, and I'm getting ready to try out this wave rider. I think Libby might also too. You want to try it, Liv? She said, I don't know. Got Philip, he's getting ready to go up on a slide.
He's gonna bite the duck.
Oh no, no! Oh, it's bad, it's bad now!
Which places? All right, keep on going. There's another one up there. Keep going. Come on, go, go. Good job. Keep going. You got it. You got it. You got it. Go. Come on. You got it. Well, you got up higher that time. Huh? You got up higher that time.
Get it. Get it. There you go.
Right, man. It's the same one you have.
snail.
This
Escargot.
very soupy. It's
Onion
a giant
soup.
onion in it. It's a giant onion. You could say it's a giant onion.
I'm gonna drink a soup part.
Hey, Philip, try some of that.
So like, what is it? Like, what is it? Like, what?
It's calamari.
What is it though? Like,
You just eat, it's
It's just a sea
octopus.
creature. Is it good?
you take like anything. Tastes like shrimp.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, try one of these snails.
No, I draw the line.
Well, is that the snail?
No, that's the bread. There you go, try you one.
What do I do? Just like.
Right there.
Oh no.
Philip, your turn.
No.
Try it.
Might cut it a little bit.
All right, here's Philip with the snail.
So like, where's the snail at? Right here?
Yep, you just dig in there.
Slurping on your fork.
You just try it, hurry. You're making a scene. It's on there.
Eat it. You're dripping it. Eat it.
Does it taste fishy?
You good? Yeah. Not grape, not grape. Oh, no way.
So close. Hey Philip, what do you think so far? What are you eating there?
Ice cream.
How many have you had so far?
Like 8.
That's it?
I have like 20 when I finish.
20's your goal?
No
Wow.
more than that. Probably 50.
Where are we going to right now?
The ocean.
No, where are we landing? Costa Maya? You ever been there? First time, huh? All right, we'll show what it's like.
Do me and Dad.
So I'm Philip's flotation device. I can touch, you can't. All right. Tell them what you're finding. What have you found so far?
Shark tooth.
Shark tooth. What else?
Shells.
The shells. So so how do you do this? What are you looking for?
Shark tooth.
Shark tooth.
Yeah.
So do you look down in the cracks and stuff like that? So he's got his nice little goggles. He's gonna take you down there, kind of show you what he's looking for. Okay? All right, I'll take you. I'll film you. Ready? Here we go. Fish?
Tiny one though.
Tiny one? Is it a shark?
Maybe.
Maybe baby shark? Alright, so he's seen some fish, seen some shells. We're having a good time. We're over here at Mr. Sancho's in Cozumel. Weather's perfect. Not much sun. Got a little bit of overcast, which that's fine with me. But we're having a good time, relaxing and enjoying God's creation. Katie and Olivia, they're over there hanging out in the chairs, sunning. Which is all right. We've needed this vacation, just kind of get out and get away from everything. But I'm ready to get back to the garden because I'm the farm, because I'm sure there's plenty that needs to be done. I got my parents and my brother and just a whole slew of people has been kind of taking care of things while we're gone. Very thankful for them. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be able to do this kind of stuff. It's not like you can take and purchase a farm babysitter. Just looking down there. you find?
Cool.
That's a good one, man.
That's awesome. Take a video so you take a picture of this.
What'd you find? A conch? Conch shell? This is after a day of swimming in the ocean. This is how you walk.
Thank you so much.
Philip and both you're walking the same. Too much salt water and shorts, Philip. Some big old boats.
Oh, it was like the same boats, I think.
Well, they're Royal Caribbean.
It looked like the same.
That's our boat on the right. Mariner of the Seas. This is what I've been dealing with all week long. You gotta watch your head. I'm only walking around with a crick in my neck. They didn't have me in mind when they made this ship. Gotta go around, Phillips. Last night on the cruise ship. What do y'all think so far?
So fun. So fun. Look how tan you are.
I see a lot of cruise ships. It's like 3, 4.
What? It's an old ship. Yeah. So I think this ship was the first ship that Dan and Lonnie, my brother and sister-in-law, they went on here on their honeymoon over 20 years ago. I think they're getting ready to retire this ship. So it's a little outdated, but it's still a very nice ship.
I'll tell you, are you excited? I'm seeing some familiar faces. Some of you were in the first show. If you came back, I'll let you know it's the same show.
No, it's not. I'm changing it.
No, that's not. Let me introduce you to Matilda.
Hello. They don't talk.
Yes, they do.
Hola. Ah, mi nombre es Matilda.
Stop. She wants to learn Spanish. She's watching Dora the Explorer. I tried to keep up with my kids, do some online learning myself, but it did not go well.
That's because you're old.
Really?
Are you right, kids? How do you spell it? OLD. That stands for online learning disability.
Okay, might be a little truth to that, but nonetheless. Mitchell and I were just talking backstage before the show. That might scare some of you.
That's where we're going.
No.
All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. No touchy, touchy.
She told me she has a new song she would like to share tonight.
After I find a new man.
Oh, you think you're gonna find your new man tonight?
I know he's here.
You can't see out here.
I can smell him. He smells yummy. There he is.
Where?
Front row on the end, blue shirt.
That's why I don't talk Chris.